Welcome to Product Critique, the trusted place for smart product decisions. In today's video, we're diving into why Fresh Step Clumping Cat Litter Multi-Cat is hands down the best cat litter in the clumping multi-cat category. If you're managing multiple feline friends at home, this one's for you. Let's kick things off with what sets this cat litter apart from the rest. Right out of the box, the Fresh Step Multi-Cat Clumping Litter is designed specifically for multi-cat households. It's not just regular litter, it's engineered to deal with the high traffic, high odor reality of having multiple cats using the same litter box. The biggest game changer here is the 15-day odor control guarantee. That's powered by their ammonia block technology, which works actively to neutralize those strong ammonia smells that can make a cat box unbearable. Combined with the fresh scent from Febreze, you're looking at an environment that's a whole lot more pleasant, for both you and your cats. Let's talk clumping. Fresh Step uses something they call clump lock technology. The moment liquid hits the litter, it locks in moisture and odor, forming tight, firm clumps. This means no loose, soggy litter or scattered mess. Cleanup becomes way easier and more efficient. You scoop once, and you're done. Plus, the clumps stay intact, so you won't have little crumbles falling through your scoop and back into the box. Next up, let's address a big concern: dust. Many clumping litters claim to be low dust but still leave a fine layer across your furniture. Fresh Step's low dust formula actually delivers. You'll see and feel the difference immediately when pouring the litter. Less haze in the air and cleaner surroundings overall. That's a win for you and your cat's respiratory health. This specific box weighs in at 14 pounds, which makes it easy to carry, pour, and store. Despite the compact size, it's long-lasting, making it a good option for regular use even in multi-cat homes. You can also find it in packs of 2 or larger quantities if you're buying in bulk. Another key benefit is the activated charcoal. It's not just a buzzword, it actually absorbs odors on contact. Combined with the fragrance from Febreze, the litter keeps the area around your cat box smelling fresh and clean. It doesn't just mask the smell, it attacks it at the source. Fresh Step has become a household name for good reason, and this product proves why. Whether you're a new cat parent or a seasoned multi-cat home manager, the Fresh Step Multi-Cat Clumping Litter delivers on every promise: odor control, easy cleanup, low dust, and a clean-smelling home. So if you're searching for a cat litter that truly holds up under the pressure of multiple furry users, this is the one to go with. Fresh Step Clumping Cat Litter for multi-cat homes isn't just another litter. It's a staple for stress-free litter box maintenance. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more product deep dives, and drop a comment below if you've tried Fresh Step in your home. See you in the next one.